So this right here is the best way to trade Forex. That. This is the best way. Like, there's other ways, but mathematically, this is the best way. All right, so kind of went to earlier. You want to think about it like this. The first thought in your head is, what am I going to take for the next 30 trades? So you want to take the same setup for your next 30 trades. So like, if you guys are using signals, just use the same signals over the next 30 trades. You're going to notice your count going up and stuff like that. But that's number one. Oh, it's kind of off the screen. Number one. Second thing in your head for the best strategy is thanks for the tip. How much am I going to risk per trade? And the final strategy is then the final strategy you're going to want to use is what setup I'm going to take and how much I'm going to risk per trade. How much do I want to gain per trade? And the fourth one, this is it. This is 4 steps. This is the best trading strategy in the world. Like, for any chart, anything you trade, and this is it. This is all it's ever gonna be. The ways to improve it is work on step one. With setups, I'm going to learn more setups, learn market cycles, learn all the stuff I teach and stuff. Learn those type of things, and then use the same setup. Like, you're taking off of that plane, you got a checklist. You look for your setup. All right, you check your boxes. I'm going to take this same setup for the next 30 trades. So let's say you're using the signals, those free signals that I give. You're like, all right, I'm going to take, every time you get a signal, I'm going to take those signals to the T, use the stop loss, use the take profits. I'm going to do that. That's all my trades. Take those trades, next 30 trades. And then you're like, all right, how much am I risking per trade? You see the risk, it shows how much of the risk per trade. So you're like, all right, I risk 1% of my account. How much do I make per trade? All right. They're gaining 3% on their account, sometimes up to 8%, but 3% per, let's say it's 3%. And then you want to see, is it a positive equity curve? So now you go over here and you're gonna be like, all right, 3%, 1%. I'm trading at 80% right now, so it's like next 30 trades. So this simulator is gonna tell you over the next 30 trades, if you follow the strategy, how much you make. So $100 account is going to go to 180, 200. So you're doubling your account. So no matter how much times I run the simulation, accounts go up. And that's it. Now let's do a bad example. Let's say, okay, so I got my setup, and then my setup, I'm going to go for 2 to 1. I double my money every time I hit. I'm going to risk 10% of my account. Or let's go, say I'm going to risk 25% of my account, which is more realistic to most beginner traders. They want to risk more. And I'm going to take 30 trades. Now your equity curve starts to look something like this. It goes up, comes back down, goes up, comes back down, has trouble taking off. Sometimes you end up where you started. Sometimes you end up at 0. You blow your account. So it's just random equity curves where it's like, it's not always up. Sometimes you go up, sometimes you don't go down. But those sometimes could be the next time you trade, so you never want to have equity curves that go down. So if that's the best Forex trading strategy, this is it. This is it. You follow these 4 steps, and it'll make you a top Forex trader. You follow these 4 steps. See what's next. Let me take a sip of water. Let me know if it's making sense, guys, too. Well, I want to do one thing for TikTok. I'm gonna restart the live on TikTok, guys, so I could update the title for you guys. So we're gonna restart the live right now, and then you guys can just come back on too. So let me do that. Alright, I'm back live. Okay, so I see the next question we're doing, guys. That's the best Forex trading strategy you guys can use. Can trading make me rich? So can trading make you rich? So I would say yes. Like, trading is one of the fastest ways to acquire wealth. And the reason why it's the best way to acquire wealth is because of compound interest. Compound interest is one of the wonders of the world. It's like the 8th wonder, 9th wonder. It's one of the top wonders of the world is compound interest. Like, compound interest is very important, and because of compound interest, trading can make you very rich because you're growing your account over time, and you hit a trade, you keep hitting trades every day. Every day you're hitting 10 trades, you're hitting these 2 trades at the free. You're hitting trades every day, and because you're hitting trades every day, your account's going up exponentially, and now you have stacks of money, you have so much money, you don't know what to do with it. You gotta start learning how to invest, buy property, real estate, whatever you guys want to do. You start spending money. Like, since trading, like I've done dropshipping business, I've done businesses like that, ads online, and the money doesn't even compare to trading because trading is all profit. You jump in a trade, you make the money, you pay your taxes, of course, but it's all profit past that. And you're gonna start finding yourself having so much money. It's like, what do you do with this money? Now you gotta learn a whole new skill. You gotta learn how to invest your money, how to make your money last long term, and it gives you rich people problems, like 1% problems now, because simply off of trading. So trading, you can make a lot of money trading. Trading can make you very wealthy. I would say it can make you wealthy because you can never really go down once you learn these skills. Like, no matter how far down you go, you always growing your equity curve. So you're always going up over time. So I made this page right here for you guys, where you guys can do stuff like get funded accounts. You can get the free signal group here on this page. The link is in the bio on TikTok and links in the below for you guys. But you can get free signals. You can get the free signals, basically 1 to 2 signals a day. You get those signals, and you can grow an account at a fair speed. Paid signals, I give out 10 plus signals a day. So now you're growing your account way faster than you would on free, 5 times faster, 6 times faster. So you can grow account faster with the paid signals, and it's a little bit more bonuses with that. But then on top of that, you guys can get funded accounts. So you can get funded for $2 million on using this link right here to fund your account for $2 million. So let's say this week you don't have money, you don't have millions of dollars, but you want to make $60K a week. Instead of getting a leveraged account or using leverage, I would prefer you get a funded account. and it's still leverage and same rules apply, but you'll be able to make more money and actually cash it out. So you can get funded for 2.4 mil. You use both of these, sign up for both. In 1 to 3 days, you get funded for 2.4 mil. There's no credit checks, none of that, anything like that. You can get funded, and now you have a 2.5 mil account, and you can grow it. We grow accounts 10% a week. If we do a 10% week on 2.5 mil, you're getting 250K on an account. If we do if you grow your account just 1% that week, you're making 25K. So if we hit 2 trades, just gain 2% gains, and you guys see the trades we did on the free signals, they're bigger than that, but those 2 little trades would have made you 50K this week. So you can make 50K a week easily. That's how traders make 50K a week, 60K a week. They're buying cars, buying houses and stuff. That's how they're able to do. The trading lifestyle is very lucrative once you understand the math and you know how to make it pay for itself. So I recommend that. Got to drink water. See what else we got. This is the leverage trading. 1000x leverage they give. So you get 1000x leverage and you get the bonus on this one. This one's for a trade copier. So if you don't have much time to trade a big account or something, whatever, you can put your money in and deposit, take the same trades that I take on my account, and you can grow an account that way. It's a cool way to grow. Then we got risk management, and the risk management is where I go over the math. So if you go there, I have books, I have typed with the numbers. I made a cheat sheet for you guys, so you can use the cheat sheet to do the math simply, and you'll learn everything about risk management there. We got trading psychology for the mindset you need to have to be trading, chart pattern mastery, market cycle, how to grow a small account is good too. It'll teach you how to do the math also in that. Indicators, charts, YouTube channel and stuff. All right, so the risk management. It'll explain what a pip is. So if you guys don't know what a pip is, you can go over there and learn exactly what a pip is. But 1 pip equals 10 ticks. And a tick depends on your broker. So different brokers have different tick sizes. Sometimes a tick is 1 penny. Sometimes a tick is 10 cents. Sometimes it's $1. So you want to... a tick is each time the chart moves 1 click up and down. So you want to look at the chart, see how it's moving, and understand what a tick is. So now this goes into the next thing. Now you guys understand the tick. Let me know in the chat if you want me to explain it better. So now you know what a tick is.